Hello my fellow warriors and welcome to another airsofting video from the Woodland Warriors NL. As you can see, we have a very big unboxing to do this week because my dad is turning 50 in a few days.
Yeah, a few days next week.
Next week?
Yeah.
So my dad is not much of a player anymore.
Not because too old, it's too cold.
So he's turning into a collector. So he bought something special to start his collection in a very good way. So let's find out what's inside the box.
But yeah, we almost got it. We looked already for a year for this one. I finally found one in Switzerland first, but before I could get it, it was already sold. There are only 500 of these made by the company. It's the ICS M1 limited edition Garant. So we put this to the side and you see how it gets delivered. It's in a really nice wooden box.
So guys, as you saw, it's our biggest unboxing until now, and I think also the toughest.
And the heaviest.
Because, it was pretty hard to get all the packaging off.
Yeah.
But here it is. It's the M1 Special Limited Edition Garant from ICS. There are only 500 worldwide of this replica, and it comes in a nice wooden box. And let's open it up.
Yeah, let's do it.
Some more protection inside.
Yeah.
Little bubble wrap.
Wait up.
And here it is. The limited edition M1 Garant. It's real wood. Yeah. And it has a lot of golden futures on the weapon. It is an airsoft rifle, but it is a little bit different because this one shoots 8mm BBs instead of 6. This will be a great wall piece for us.
Definitely. Also it comes with some extras. I have here a bag of BBs inside. See it here? A small bag. Normally when there are BBs we don't use them with the guns that come in. But these are only 8mm BBs, so yeah, let's try that once. We got here a real leather sling for it, so this is also a nice addition. We're going to fix it soon, and we'll let you see how the total is when we're finished. And here is some material to put this rifle on the case, like on a display. And when we pull that together, we'll let you see an overview of how it looks.
Also on the weapon itself, there's a little serial number over here. And it says US Rifle Cal .30 M1 Springdale Army, and the numbers are 1500 417. So I think this may be weapon number 417 out of 500.
Yeah.
It's not too heavy, but the wood does feel quite nice.
It's real metal. It's like
Golden optics, for sure first.
yeah, only a red nose, but yeah. It comes from Italy, so here's the mag release. It's a plastic mag for 8mm BBs in it. It allows 25 to go in, but it's more for us to hang up here on the wall to be for a nice future. Overall, I think this one weighs about 3.5 kilos, but yeah, it's really solid, very nice piece. I'm very happy with it.
Okay, so I think the next thing we are gonna do is put the sling on, and maybe after that we will mount it to the display and we will show you guys how that looks.